Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to embed a hyperlink in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat Pro lets you embed hyperlinks in a PDF so readers can click text or images to open a website, jump to another page, or open a file. So did you notice that I talked about the Adobe Acrobat Pro, right? So you all need at first to get the premium version of it, which is the Pro one, and then follow what I'm going to show you. So now guys, you will need to open the PDF in this app, Adobe Acrobat. So just go ahead and locate it and double click on it. So I'm going to show you or to set an example with that specific one. So here guys, inside the editor, you will need to go with the all tools option here under the menu, right at the top left corner. So now you will need to go with that PDF. So actually guys, as I told you, you will need to get the Adobe Acrobat Pro and then just go and choose the link option. You will find it inside the PDF tool. And after tapping or clicking on link, go with add or edit a link option, right? And then go and drag to draw a rectangle around the text or image you want to make clickable, and in the create link dialog box select open web page, then click next, and then just enter the complete web address including the https double dot double slashes, then click on OK and save the PDF. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.